In the forestry and woodworking sectors, the incredible performance of the fastest large-sized woodcutters operates at an unprecedented level. These cutting-edge machines redefine standards of productivity and precision in the logging industry. Join me in watching the entire video to see how effectively chainsaws with powerful cutting capabilities have become indispensable tools in forestry, helping to cut trees and process wood effectively for many different industries. In west central Wisconsin, where hardwood forests are abundant, the use of new heavy-duty wood cutting machines can ensure that they are easily cut. In west central Wisconsin, where hardwood forests are abundant, the use of new heavy-duty wood cutting machines can ensure that they are easily cut. The Mahoe saw is one of the top 10 saws with the fastest rotation speed today. Let's see how it works. Next is the Frontier OS35, capable of milling giant logs up to 35 inches in diameter and can handle loads greater than 2 tons. Chainsaws are always the top choice for tree cutters because of their versatility. When combining a chainsaw with a specialized tree stand, the sawman will be able to easily cut the tree to his liking. With unlimited capacity and maximum adaptability, Woodzilla can crush 3.5 tons of wood within 1 hour. To be able to climb such a high tree, he certainly has a very high level of confidence and technique. This is a machine called the Diamond Cutter. It can cut any type of tree and vegetation. This machine has an automatic chain lubrication system while cutting that improves durability and performance, reduces maintenance needs, and ensures stable cutting performance. It takes 2 people to split this block of wood into pieces quickly. Chainsaws are very important in efforts to prevent forest fires. Dry trees like these can easily create a large fire if not removed. This is the Style MS-881. Loggers call it the world's most powerful logging saw because it is equipped with a super powerful 2-mix engine. Logging work is a very difficult and dangerous job. If you are not careful, you will get injured. It only takes about 5 seconds to cut a log. Modern sawing machines are really powerful these days, right? The convenience and precision of the chainsaw have made it a popular tool in the construction and woodworking industries, while also helping to optimize the production process. In the forestry industry, chainsaws help cut down trees powerfully and effectively, and also create favorable conditions for transportation and processing.
Dive into the skilled world of wood chipping with the Morbark 2755 wood chipper. This easily processes more than 100 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, turning waste into valuable resources, contributing to sustainable land management while maximizing productivity. Considered a symbol of reliability and performance, revolutionizing the way wood chips are handled and reused, the Model 40-36 Morbark drum chipper easily handles mixed tree branches and twigs, processing up to 45 tons of material per hour. With its excellent ability to process hardwood logs, the Pezzolotto PTH 1200-660M drum chipper plays an important role in biomass production, and forestry operations ensure sustainable resource use while maximizing efficiency. Experience unparalleled wood processing power with the Pezzolotto PTH 1400-1000 drum chipper. And it's driven by a powerful Caterpillar engine. This beast of a machine easily turns wood into valuable scraps, helping to protect the forestry environment. The Comtech Crambo 5200 EC Direct and Volvo L90F, the dynamic duo in waste management and material handling, streamline waste operations, maximize productivity and minimize downtime. Unther Triturator QR1700, an advanced shredder that redefines the industrial waste treatment process. It efficiently transforms various waste streams into valuable resources. The Pezzolato PTH 1200/820M is equipped with a powerful Scania DC16 engine, providing unprecedented performance and reliability in wood chipping operations, allowing the machine to easily process up to 100 cubic meters of wood per hour.
These adaptable tools have developed over time, integrating advanced attributes like ergonomic designs, enhanced fuel efficiency, and improved safety mechanisms. Share your thoughts on which chainsaw you believe is the quickest. Kindly support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. We'll see you